Hello, my name's Chris Peters. I'm an independent plumber that carries out Saniflo repairs in Brixton. My mobile telephone number is 0791 785 2384. If your Saniflo is making a funny humming or buzzing noise, there's a good chance the motor's stuck and you want to stop the motor from burning out by isolating the electricity supply. There could be a little switch there by the unit, or if there's not a little switch, there could be a socket with a little fuse on there that you can actually just pull the fuse out to isolate the electricity supply, and then please give me a call. Thank you. Bye.